Gonna take my horse on a 2-town road, and I'ma ride till I can't no more. I got them horses in the back, horses in the track. Hate that song to death. Okay. Alright, now let's get down to business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day, finally, I'm announcing the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you everything that I'm giving away, and I'm going to tell you how you can enter, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to start off by telling you guys thank you for 20,000 subscribers, and now I'm going to tell you what I'm giving away. So I'm going to start with what I ordered from TKB Trading. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the most important thing, which is the Versa-Gel. So I ordered the 5.5 ounce. So this is how big it is. I had no idea it was this small. Like, I haven't, I'm still using the 30-pound pail, like I said in my last video. So I don't use the 4 ounce or the 2-pound bag or the 3.5 pound bag. I don't use any of that. So this is my first time seeing the new size. I'm not impressed. It is a little bit taller than the 4 ounce, however, it's thinner. The 4 ounce was a bit wider. So on their website, it says that you can make 18 tubes. I haven't tried making Versa-Gel from this size, so I can't tell you if that's correct or not. So if you have bought the 5.5 ounce, leave in the comment section how many tubes you were able to make from the 5.5 ounce size. So again, another thing I don't like is that every time I do buy like a smaller size, I haven't bought a small size in a while, they always have something like this air bubble right here. It don't always be this big, but like, is that normal? Let me know, because again, I don't buy these small sizes. But again, you should be able to make 18 tubes from this, maybe. Let me know. Now, the second thing I'm going to be giving away is a 60 ml syringe, and I will be giving away 5 pipettes to go with this. I'll show you the pipettes in a second, but all you do is you cut the pipettes and you attach it to the end. So the next thing I will be giving away is the, what's this? A small spatula. This is where you scoop your lip gloss in the bowl and put it in the syringe from this. Or you can just dump it in there from the spoon. So this is what the back looks like. And, ooh. And this is the front. Alright, the next thing we're going to talk about is the flavoring oils. You get 2 flavoring oils. These are the sample size. This is strawberry and vanilla. So I'm going to put this back in there so I won't leave all this stuff out. Alright, the next thing that I will be giving away, pigments. So I'm going to take out each pigment and show you guys which pigments I will be giving away. The first pigment I will be giving away is Unicorn. Everybody loves Unicorn. It's very pretty. So that is the first one. The second one is Sneaky Violet. It's a very pretty color. I also love this one as well. The third one I will be giving away is the 24K Karat Gold. Now, I have not used any of these pigments. I just ordered all of these things, so all these are brand new, by the way. And the fourth one I will be giving away is the Sparkle Rose. Again, everybody loves this color as well. Again, everything is brand new. Last but not least, the soft pink. Everybody loves pink, right? So I definitely had to make sure I got a pink pigment. That's a plain pink. And now I will be getting into the glitters that I will be giving away. I'll be giving away 4 holographic glitters, and yes, they are safe for lips. So I'm just going to close this up and put this back in the bag. Everything nice and organized, guys. Okay, this all came in the same packaging. Now I will be telling you what else I'll be giving away, and that is this bag right here. So what I have is 10 squeeze tubes. The size are 8 ml. So you get 10 of those. So it's 2 small bags. And then I will be giving away 5 of these 5 pipettes. Again, you just want to cut this end right here, and then this end, and then attach it to the syringe. And I will be giving away 4 glitters. So the first glitter I'll be giving away is the silver glitter. Okay, everybody loves silver, right? So the silver one, what else? Dark blue. Everybody loves dark blue. I'll show you like this. And I'll show you the silver one. Again, these glitters are brand new. I have not used anything. The third glitter, gold. Everybody loves gold, right? So that's what the gold looks like. And last but not least, I will be giving away this purple glitter. It's like a purple pinkish, but it's mainly purple. So that's very pretty. So I will be giving away all 4 of these colors. Again, everything's all brand new. Now we're going to talk about how you can enter this giveaway. This giveaway will last for 1 week, and then I will announce the winners in a video. It'll be like a really short video, just telling you who won. Again, 1 person will win all of these items. I don't know how many items it is, but it's a lot. So you will have everything you need to start your own lip gloss business and to make your own glosses, okay? So yes, you have all of this, everything that's in here, and the 60 ml syringe, okay? So, I know you're wondering, how can I answer this giveaway? Sorry, I'm yelling. You can answer this giveaway by doing 3 simple things. So the first thing you need to do, which should already be automatic, subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. You should already be subscribed. Okay, so that doesn't even really count as number 1. But make sure you're already subscribed to my channel. The first thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel. The second thing you need to do is subscribe to my backup channel, Marisa TV. I will leave a link to that channel in the description and the comment section, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and my backup channel. The third thing you need to do is to go to my Instagram at Marisa Cosmetics and follow me. It is that simple, that easy. I don't require anything else, okay? Now, after you've done all those 3 things, what you need to do is screenshot you subscribing to my backup channel, Marisa TV. Take a screenshot and send that to me. Also, take a screenshot of you following me on Instagram at Marisa Cosmetics and DM me both photos. Then come back to this video and comment done with your Instagram name. If you're already following me on my Instagram, that's fine. Just send me a screenshot and send that to me as well as the you subscribing to my backup channel, Marisa TV. And don't forget to comment done in the comment section of this video with your Instagram name. Guys, it is brutal that you make sure you comment done with your Instagram name. If you don't do one of the requirements, you will not be entered. You have to do all 3 things, guys. It's not that hard. So if you don't have an Instagram, I'm sorry, you cannot enter. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you cannot enter. You have to do all 3 things. That is brutal. That is mandatory. If you've done all 3 things and you forget to comment done with your Instagram in the comment section, you will not be entered. You must remember to comment done with your Instagram name. That's the only way I can check to make sure everybody has done the requirements. Okay, guys? It's not that hard. I'm not asking for too much or anything like that, okay? So again, this is a big opportunity to get you a lip gloss kit. I know a lot of people say they cannot afford it. This is your best option. This is your best chance to get this. Again, it'll be 1 winner. If you don't win, it's okay, because I will continue to do giveaways. Every 10,000 subscribers, I will give away a lip gloss kit. Every 5,000, I will give away some lip gloss, okay? Very easy, very simple. Again, to enter this giveaway, you must live in the United States to enter this giveaway. Okay, I think I made everything very clear. I think I've said what I need to say. Again, this giveaway will start now and it will end in 1 week. I will leave all the directions in the description, and I will leave everything in the comment section. Again, what you must do, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my backup channel, Marisa TV. Go to my Instagram, follow me at Marisa Cosmetics. Then screenshot you following me on Instagram and screenshot you subscribing to my backup YouTube channel, Marisa TV. Guys, it's very simple, very easy. Guys, every time I do a giveaway, I tell you guys to screenshot you following me. I don't know why a lot of people keep getting that confused. A lot of people think I'm talking about send me a picture of themselves. No, I'm not asking that. I don't know why people keep doing that. I'm asking you to screenshot you following me on Instagram and my backup channel. Do not send me selfies, okay? A lot of people keep doing that. Why? I don't know. Stop doing that. Send me a screenshot of you following me on both social medias. Okay, very simple, very easy. Quick question. How do you guys feel about my shirt? Like, I love this shirt. I designed this shirt off teespring.com. It says YouTuber and Marisa K with the YouTube play button. Like, I wanted me like a work shirt because I consider YouTube my job, you know. But I wanted me like a work shirt with YouTuber that says YouTuber in my name. Like, when I go to get my taxes done, okay, let me tell y'all this. When you start making money on YouTube, you have to get your taxes done because they take 15% out of however much you made. So I had to pay a dumb amount of money. Let's just leave it at that, okay? I had to pay a dumb amount of money. Yes, I had to file my taxes. If you make over a certain amount, you have to file taxes. I don't know what that certain amount is, but I just know I made over that amount. So I had to pay 15% back to the government and taxes. And there was like, so like, what do you do? Because I got like the 1099 tax form. And I was like, I'm a YouTuber. And they was like, what is that? Huh? What? YouTuber? Huh? What? I'm like, I post videos on YouTube and I get money for it. Put ads in it and I get money for it. They was like, so you're telling me you make videos and you get paid for it? Yeah. What type of videos do you post? I ain't here for all that. Okay, I'm just final test and I'm ready to go. Okay, I ain't that's not them questions. Okay, but of course everybody there was like 50 and older. But you know, of course, so therefore they didn't even know. But yeah, that was just a quick story. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you guys in my next video.